Hello friends, good morning. In previous lecture we discussed up to question number 16. Today we will discuss the question number 17 and next questions. Okay? Question number 17. The question number 17 is that Rita had rupees 300. She spent 1/3 of her money on notebooks and 1/4 of the remainder on stationery items. How much money is left with her? Okay. Rita had equal to rupees 300. Okay. She spent 1/3 of her money on notebooks. Money spent on notebooks equal to 1/3 of total, means 1/3 of 300, means 1/3 into 300. 3 1 are 3 means 100. The money spent on notebooks. Money spent on notebooks. Okay. Rupees 100. I am going to do this 1/4 remainder on stationery. Money spent on stationery. Money spent on stationery equal to 1/4 of the remainder. 1/4 total is 300 and she spent 100 on notebook. The remaining money will be 300 minus 100. 300 minus 100. Okay. Equal to 1/4 into 200. 4 5s are 20. 0 means rupees 50. Money is spent on stationery. Okay, equal 50. So how much money left with her? Money left with Rita equal to 300 minus the money spent. 100 plus 50 means 150. Money left with Rita means total money minus money spent. 100 on notebooks, 50 on stationery. 100 plus 50 150. Remaining money total minus spent means 150. Okay. Money left with Rita equal to 150. This is our answer. In question, in starting Rita had 300. He spends her money on two necessities. First, on notebooks, 1/3 of total money, and 1/4 of the remainder on stationery. First of all, we find 1/3 of 300, which is 100, and 1/4 of the remainder means 300 minus 100 is 200. So 1/4 of 300 minus 100, which is 50. The money left with Rita means total money minus money spent. 100 on notebooks, 50 on stationeries. 100 plus 50. 100 plus 50 means 150. So we subtract 150 from 300 and we get the money left with Rita. Okay. Now we solve the second one. question number 18. Amit earns rupees 32,000 per month. Amit earns per equal to rupees 32,000. Okay, means the earning of Amit is 32,000 rupees per month. He spends 1/4 of his income on food. Money spent on food. Money spent on food equal to 1/4 of total. 1/4 of 32,000 means 1/4 into 32,000 whole is 32 means 8,000. Okay, money is spent on food equal to rupees 8,000. Now 3/10 of remainder on house rent. Remainder means 32,000 minus money spent on food means 8,000. So money spent on house rent. Money is spent on house rent. Okay. 3/10 of remainder. 3/10. Remainder is 32,000 minus 8,000. Means 3/10 into 24,000. 0 cancel out. 300 300 3 4 12. Carry 1 3 2 6 1 7. Okay. The money is spent on house rent equal to rupees 7,200. Now the next part is and 5/21 of the remainder on education of children. Now we find money is spent on education. Okay. Now we find money is spent on education. Money is spent on education equal to 5/21 of remainder. 5/21 of remainder means here 5/21 of remainder. He has spent on two necessities. First on food and second on house rent. The left money will be total minus money spent on food and house rent. Means here 32,000 minus 8,000 plus 7,200. Okay, means 5/21 into 32,000 minus 8 7 15. 15,200. Okay, this will be minus 15,200. Okay, now we subtract this here. 32,000 minus 15,200. 0 0 then minus 2 8. Okay, 11 minus 5 6. 2 minus 1 1. 16,800. So 5/21 into 16,800. 21 is 168. 8 1 is 8 into 16 means 800. 8 5 is 40 means 4000. Okay. So money spent on education. Money spent on education. Money spent on education equal to 4000. We see that he spent 8000 on food, 7200 on house rent, and 4000 on education. The question is how much money left with him? To get the left money with him, we subtract the sum of the expenditure, means on food, on house rent, and on education from his monthly income 32,000. Okay, now money left with him. Money left with him. Money left with him equal to 32,000 minus, okay, 8,000 on food, 7,200 on house rent, and 4,000 on education. Means here the total money will be 8 7 15, 54 19, 32,000 minus 19,200 equal to 32,000 minus 19,200. 0 0 10 minus 2 8. In other sign 2 2 minus 1 12,800. 12,800. Okay. So we see that the left money is 12,800. Answer 12,800. Okay. Now we will the next question. Question number 19. Question number 9. Okay. If 3/5 of a number exceeds its 2/7 by 44, find the number. Right? The number is x. Okay. According to question, 3/5 of number 3/5x. 3/5 of number exceeds 2/7 by 44. 2/7 plus 44. Okay. Correct. Here is a number. The 3/5 of the number. The 3/5 of a number is the 3/5 of number exceeds its 2/7 by 34. If we take 2/7 of this number and 3/5 of this number, so 3/5 will be greater 44 by 2/7 of its number. अगर हम क्या करें, कोई नंबर ले तो उस नंबर में 3/5 पार्ट होगा, वो सेम नंबर के 2/7 पार्ट से 44 ग्रेटर होगा. ओके. नाउ स्टार्टिंग 3/5x minus 2/7 is equal to 44. Now here LCM will be 35. 7 is 21. 5 is 10. Equal to 44. 21 is multiplied means 11 is. 11 is upon 35 equal to 44. Or x equal to 44 into 35 upon 11 for the 44. 4 5 are 22, 4 3 are 12 to 14. Okay, the answer will be, the number is 140. The number is 140. Now, the last one question. Question number 20. Question number 20. At a cricket test match, 2/7 of the spectators were in a covered place while 15,000 in open. Find total number of spectators. Let the total number of spectators. The total number of spectators are X. According to question, the question says that 2/7 of spectators were in covered place. If 2/7 covered place, the number of spectators in open place क्या हो जाएगा? X minus 2/7. Okay. Number of spectators in open place. Total number is X and 2/7 is in covered parts. Then X minus 2/7 X. Okay. 7 1 is 7 minus 2x upon 7 means 5x upon 7. And this is given that the number of spectators in open place is 15,000 means 5 upon 7 equal to 15,000. X equal to 15,000 into 7 upon 5. 5 is 15 means 3,000. Okay, so x equal to 7 is 21,000. Answer equal to 21,000. The question is that in a cricket test, during a cricket test match, there are spectators. Some spectators are sitting in open space and some spectators are sitting in covered space. The number of spectators sitting in covered place is 2/7 of the total, while the number of spectators sitting in open place is 15,000. If we let the total number of spectators, then number of spectators sitting in open place will be X minus 2/7, which is 5/7. And this value is given that equal to 15,000. Has 5/7 equal to 15,000 or x equal to 15,000 given upon 5. This value will be 21,000. Answer will be 21,000. Means total number of spectators will be 21,000. In this exercise is completed. In next video we will discuss the exponents lesson 2. Okay. You will try the optional exercise and test paper. If there will be any problem with the questions for solving, then you can ask. Okay, thank you.